they went right to sleep. Yeah, the baseball birds went right to sleep. Oh, and then one time, there was a soft puppy. She really loved to chase her ball. Her celerity won her celebrity. Look 'em up. Her alacrity was known to all. So she dashed and darted and grew quite thirsty. Her tongue hanging low and hungry a bunch. So that puppy would ramble her way home. She'd rustle up a little bit of lunch. You know, a nice ham sandwich and a cold glass of milk and maybe some potato chips. Make a full belly ready for a nap. So she got really sleepy. She went right to sleep. Yeah, the running pup went right to sleep. Oh, and then one time there was this pretty girl, blessings counted, but still no sleep. It seems the pretty girl needed a story. It wouldn't do just chalking up sheep. So the sleepy time fable was required. No, not later, but in the nick of time. 'Cause the pretty girl knew a somniferous story would do the trick. So an anthropomorphic tale was told with unlikely animal deeds. They got famous, drank milk and ate sandwiches.